Hello FunXies, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna make another fabric handmade doll, and this time I'm taking some fabric over here which is in the skin tone, and then I'll just cut this out into a circle. So after getting this circle, now what I'll do is that I'll take the same colored needle and thread and I'll start sewing the edges like this. I'll just repeat it all over through and just leave one side open. So now what I'll do is that I'll take some stuffing cotton over here, and then I'll just put it in the middle and then start just pulling the thread. After pulling the thread, this is the kind of thing I get over here. I'll just tie some knots and secure it in its place. So this will be the doll's face over here. So once that is done, I'll just start using my fabric paints over here and just paint the eyes and all the facial expressions.
But they won't see me cry. This fight wasn't made for everybody. We're different, you and I. Don't you know? We are they can push, they can break, they can throw our bones away. Call me by another name, but I'm a champion. I'm a champion. They can push, they can break, they can throw our bones away. Call me by another name, but I'm a champion.
So after painting the head, now let's start making the doll's body. So again I'm taking the same fabric and I'll just put some glue over here and then just secure it in its place. So once I get this coiling, I'll just cut this part out and insert this inside the head. Once that is done, let's make the body. So again the same fabric, and I'll just cut it out and then put some cotton and fold it. So now sticking in its place, this is what I get right now. I'll just cut out the edges and secure it in its place with the head and the neck. Then over here I'll just put some more glue and stick them. So once that is done, over here again I'm taking the same fabric and I'll just cut this out. So I get these two shapes, and now what I'll do is that I'll put some cotton and then just make the coiling. So this will be the legs, and likewise I'll also make the hands too. So I'll just make the hands as well. So guys, once that is done, I'll just put this hands over here on each of the sides. And then the feet as well. So now once that is done, I'll just roll some fabric too over here and just put it on the back and the front. So this will give the nice curves to the body of the doll. So now guys, once the doll body is ready, I'll just take the same cutout of the fabric and put it over here as the ears, and then these are the palms. So this part will be for the legs. So first I'll apply the palms over here. And then a small nose. Then this will be the legs over here. So I'm gonna make the shoes together. So now I'll just cut the excess part, and this is what I get right now. Now I'll just stuff some cotton inside this too. And then stick the same fabric over here, closing this. And then I'll stick these on the legs. So once this doll body is ready, as you can see, it's removable too because it has that fabric and cotton stuffed inside. Now let's start making a dress. So it's a very pretty red bright colored dress. So I'll just take this and make a bodycon dress. Then I'll take some golden cut paper and make the huge belt. Once that is done, I'll take another piece of golden cut paper over here and make the straps for the dress. So now that is done, I'll just put some jewelries made out of golden cut paper as well, and then the head, of course. So I'll just use some golden, and then I'll just use some brown over here wool, and then make this ponytail. So this is the hairstyle of the doll, which is now completed. Now I'll just take this part of the fabric and put it on the head as a headband. Then I'll just start painting the legs and make some bright red boots. So once this is done, you guys, I'll start painting the bottom of the sole of the shoes, and I'll just paint that with black color. And then put some highlights over here using the same black color and just make some dots. Then I'll just stick this gem over here as the buckle, and this is what my doll looks right now, guys. It was super easy to make, and yet it's very cute. So guys, I really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Till next time, bye bye.
Cold eyes staring right back at me, but they won't see me cry. This fight wasn't made for everybody. We're different, you and I. Don't you?